same answers to those questions that you're asking all the time. Over and over these days, there's something in your eyes, a stare that looks right through me. But every once in a while, you still light up when you hear my name. Talking in circles, saying anything I can to bring an old familiar feeling back. Would it help you remember, or would it all come back to you again if we got in that truck back